Welcome to Accent Mastery. Today we're going to learn how to pronounce water. Water. Now clearly this is not the only possible pronunciation in English, and it very much depends on your accent. And when I say that it depends on your accent, not only there is a difference in terms of geography, people in America will pronounce it differently. People in certain areas of Australia will pronounce it differently, and so on and so forth. But also even within the UK, and more specifically within England, there will be regional variations on how this is pronounced. The characteristic of the way I've just pronounced it now is the, first and foremost, non-rhoticism. So as you notice, I don't pronounce the R at the end. Water. Not all English accents, and even more so, not all British accents are non-rhotic. But apart from regional variations, you also have variations of pronunciation that have to do with upbringing, social class. As other possible varieties, we have the idea of using flapping in order to transform the T into a soft D. So in a non-rhotic fashion, water. In a rhotic fashion, water. Or to completely skip the T by using a glottal stop. Water. Water. The latter sounding quite uneducated, but whatever floats your boat. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe for more, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask.